Welcome to the School of Allied Health Sciences at Manav Rachna, International Institute of Research and Studies, where education involves the juxtaposition of related disciplines for holistic learning. Our students embark on a journey of practical learning, supported by well-equipped labs in physiology, anatomy, public health nutrition, therapeutic nutrition, food science, food analysis, exercise therapy, electrotherapy, manual therapy, and isokinetics. Here, they gain hands-on experience in a dynamic and immersive environment. Making a difference in the community, the Department of Physiotherapy and the Department of Nutrition and Dietetics have been organizing free health camps, contributing to our commitment to corporate social responsibility. Our global perspective is enhanced through international collaborations and industry-university collaboration, ensuring our students are well prepared for their professional journeys. Regular workshops, state-of-the-art OPD, counseling facilities, and evidence-based practice with dynamic understanding of food science and technology contribute to our holistic approach. Department of Nutrition and Dietetics, in collaboration with Manav Rachna Innovation and Incubation Center, owns 7 DST funding startups. For the students of Nutrition and Dietetics and Food Science and Technology, the school has tie-ups with 15 renowned hospitals in Delhi NCR for clinical training and with renowned brands for internship placements, ensuring our students receive top-notch practical experience.
A sports physiotherapist and a proud alumni of Manav Rachna institutions. My 2 years journey of Masters in Physiotherapy not only provided me with a valuable industry exposure, recent advances, but it also helped me build strong connections within the sports physiotherapy community.
Focused on holistic development, our curriculum includes personality development programs and interdisciplinary learning. Recognized for our commitment to excellence, MRIIRS is a QS overall 4-star rated university with 5 stars in teaching, facilities, social responsibility, inclusiveness, employability, and academic development. Our esteemed faculty members have received prestigious awards, solidifying our position as leaders in the field. At the School of Allied Health Sciences, we cultivate intellectual acumen, cultivate a milieu of continual innovation, and cultivate the emergence of visionary leaders. We invite you to partake in shaping the trajectory of allied health sciences at Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies.